Up guys, welcome back to my channel. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magre-review tayo. I-review natin yung isang motor. Semi-big bike siya. Hindi ako magaling sa motor, no? Pero para sa akin, ang tawag ko dyan, semi-big bike. Pero sa iba, big bike na rin ito. Ito po ay 400cc. Mamaya, i-reveal ko po kung anong klaseng motor ito. Pero bago yan, intro muna tayo. 1, 2, 3! A fiercely authentic super naked, the Kawasaki Z400 ABS motorcycle exudes fresh street style and is immediately recognizable in a crowd with a compact chassis and aggressive styling. Comfortable, balanced, and capable, the Z400 ABS offers a visceral riding experience that's true to turn heads. Parallel twin 399cc engine, assist and slipper clutch. With this drivetrain, the Kawasaki Z400 is capable of reaching a maximum top speed of 147 km per hour or 91.3 miles per hour. Like the engine and chassis, the Z400 ABS shares braking components with the Ninja 400. ABS comes standard with the Z400 ABS. Introduced in 2019, the Kawasaki Z400 received immediate praise for being an approachable, affordable, reliable, but also fun and exciting naked bike. So if you're looking for a small displacement naked bike with a comfortable ergonomic layout, you will be leaning more toward this naked than its fair brother. Some may ask, is the Kawasaki Z400 a good beginner bike? Well, the answer is yes. The Kawasaki Z400 makes a solid choice for a beginner bike. Low seat, easy for most to flat foot the bike, inspiring confidence when stopping, combined with being lightweight. Riders need to worry about dropping the bike too much or at least not being able to pick it back up again.